In this video, I'll show you how to save an Instagram Reel draft to your camera roll without posting it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom or top of the screen as if you're creating a new post. Select Reel, then tap on Drafts. Here you'll see all your saved drafts. Tap on the reel you want to save. Next, tap the edit icon or open the draft to go into the editing screen. Now, look for the download or save icon, usually at the top or bottom of the screen, and tap on it. Your reel will now be saved directly to your camera roll without being posted. After that, you can tap the X button and choose Save Draft if you want to keep it in drafts as well. Now, open your gallery or camera roll, and you'll find your reel video saved there. And that's it. That's how you can save Instagram Reel drafts without posting them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips.